This 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 29 RLC is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 34 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, oven, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 29 RLC is 9,458 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.